people have died in Pune after a portion of a wall of a residential building collapsed early this morning after heavy rain. Among the dead were 4 children and a woman. The visual shows several cars stuck in debris in Pune's Kondava area. All crashed down into tin sheds next to the apartment complex, taking down the parked cars as the ground caved in. The sheds were built for laborers working at a construction site nearby. According to the reports, rescue personnel from the National Disaster Response Force and the fire department are at the site of the accident, searching for people who may be stuck. The wall collapsed around 1:45 a.m. Have been taken to a nearby hospital. Pune saw heavy rain on Friday. The city has been seeing heavy rain since Thursday. As of last night, Pune received 73.1 millimeters of rain in 24 hours, the second highest rainfall in June since 2000. Stay connected with news for more updates. News Desk.